going to be replacing the TapeTech corner flusher roller kit. Now this kit number is CFK01TT, and again, reference on the back, it'll tell you all the flushers that fits on. This is a TapeTech unique parts kit, only on TapeTech product. Open it up here and we'll show you how this works. So what we have here, we have a couple wheels, obviously, right and left, a couple fasteners that fasten it. We have a, it's not a nye liner, but it's a bushing that goes inside, you know, the screw. And we have a couple of washers. Get that out of here. Okay, set that aside. Now, basically the line of flushers that TapeTech offers are different sizes, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, largest size here. When you receive these products, they have the skids here, these little skid pieces here, and there's a screw basically stuck in the side just as a filler. What we want to first do is, using a regular flathead screwdriver, is remove these screws. You can see this one's been moved, been used. It's got some, like all tools, joint compound in there. We'll set that aside, go to the other side, remove the same. Okay, so what we got here is we're going to replace these wheels on the inside of these skids, not on the outside. So when I say the inside, it'll be here and right here. So what we want to first do is take the screw with this little bushing here, place it into the wheel itself, and then we have the washer that goes on the end in that order. And what we're going to do is, from the inside, is just attach it with a screw, like so. And we'll just tighten it up. Okay, I'm going to repeat the same on the other side. Screw, bushing, wheel, washer. Again, you don't have any reference on that because when you get these, they don't have these wheels on them. Just going to set it right on the thread. And that's how you install the wheel kit onto the TapeTech flushers.